Hi, friends. So, I've been in my stitching room and I've been trying to go through things, drawers, boxes. Since last August, I literally been running to retreats or stitching things, coming home and just dumping it in my stitching room. And it's become a complete and total nightmare. I am embarrassed to say that it's been super excessive in here, and I need to get it to a place of make my happy place happy again. So I've been working on it, and it is so freeing to clean through things and get rid of things and reorganize things. And I think one thing I've noticed is I had things in all different places. I had fabric over here, fabric over there, and I had, it's just I need to bring it all together in one spot. So I want to show you so far my progress on my fabric, like for finishing. And I want to start, getting into maybe a little bit of quilting, that sort of thing. So I cleaned up the whole bottom of my closet in my stitching room. And yeah, it was a lot. So I'm going to turn the camera around to show you. I got some clear bins from Target. The little ones that, sorry, it's early in the morning. It's kind of dark and looks like I have sleepy eyes. Anyways, Lori Textilist showed these cute little, like, shoebox size type clear bins, and I put a bunch of fabric in there. But then I got the big clear bins from Walmart so I could see in them, and I kind of just sorted the bins by the different types of fabric. But yeah, so let me turn my camera around and I'll show you what I got done so far. Hopefully it's not too dark. Okay, here's some of the bins I have with fabric, see-through, so I can see what's in there. And then over here, I have those smaller bins I told you about that are like a shoebox size. And so it's all there in the bottom of my closet on the one side. Then over here are some finishing things I had bought that are too big to go in a drawer. So those are just sitting in the closet. So that's my progress so far. I'm going to be a little bit, then I'll just go up here and show you. Up here above on the shelf, I have some other finishing things like little hoops and things, and then some books for finishing and some other items here that I've collected. So here's what I have going on. Piles of things that I need to go through. Yep, I'm calling myself out. Here it is. You wouldn't believe that it was worse than this, but it was. I can actually kind of get to my chair, my stitching chair. So this is my first update. More to come. Okay, as I was saying, this is work in progress, more to come. When I'm all done with this room, I want to do a room tour. And so until next time, stay flossy, my friends. Bye.